17 stunning candidates from various cities and municipalities across Cebu gathered to compete for the honor of representing Cebu on the national stage at the Miss Universe Philippines Cebu 2025 pre-pageant and sponsors gala night. Held on Thursday, December 12, 2024 at the Radisson Blu Hotel, the evening highlighted standout performances with 𝗛𝗽𝗲𝗃 of Lapu-Lapu City, 𝗛𝗽𝗲𝗃𝗃𝗲𝗃 of Cebu City North, Grace Falconer of the city of Naga, and 𝗛𝗽𝗃𝗃𝗲𝗃𝗃𝗲 of Tabuelan earning well-deserved recognition and awards. The pre-pageant opened with candidates introducing themselves and which cities and municipalities they proudly represent, while showcasing their colorful and vibrant funwear, beautifully inspired by the floral theme of their respective cities and municipalities.
Shana Marie Pasensia Salazar, 23, Parpas! Gabby Carvalho, 26, Cebu City North. Christine May Salana, 20, Cebu City South. Grace Falconer, 25, City of Naga. Sarah Rocaza Hudson, 21, Consolation. Laika May Cordelius Salet, 20, Daan Bataya.
Ella Joy T. Thorne, 25, Canal City.
Jamie Javier, 23, Lapu-Lapu City.
Sunshine Buyuka Iriarte, 21, Medellin.
Jennifer Kim Lauron Emmerich, 20, Mo Alban. Katja Baboy, 19, Ronda. Bea Julian de la Cruz Bucayan, 26, representing Tabuelan. AJ Kimyaha, 18, Santa Fe. Afili Maranian Menebrato, 20, Sagon. Shindel Atimula, 21, Tabuelan. Che Di Tablo, Tuburan.
The night heated up as the candidates took the stage for the swimsuit runway, showcasing their confidence and energy with stunning catwalks that left the audience in awe. The candidates then presented their elegance and grace with their dazzling evening gowns. The night peaked with the unveiling of the new Miss Universe Philippines Cebu 𝗛𝗽𝗃𝗃𝗲𝗃𝗃𝗃 crown, inspired by the gumamela flower. Symbolizing femininity, empowerment, and resilience, this masterpiece, crafted by Mark Anthony Tanchavez of Shandar, blends tradition and modernity, a symbol of the true blue Cebuana. The night also honored outstanding candidates, with Lapu-Lapu City winning titles such as Miss Conzes, Miss Celebrity Optical, and Best in Funwear. Cebu City North claimed awards including Miss Confident, Best in Swimsuit Runway, and first runner-up for Best Funwear. The city of Naga earned Mestiza and second place in both funwear and swimsuit runway, while 𝗛𝗽𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 won Best Swimsuit Runway, and her designer Maria Glenn Diamante was awarded Best Designer for Funwear.
What if we give a round of applause for Best Designer?
One of the evening's standout candidates, 𝗛𝗽𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 of Cebu City North, shared her thoughts on receiving multiple awards and spoke about the dedication and hard work that each candidate put into preparing for the MUPH Cebu 2025 pre-pageant competition.
I mean, it's like a big weight off my chest because no matter how easy any of us make it look here, it really took a lot of work. This morning, I trained at 6:30 in the morning just to review a lot of the other girls, they trained late at night last night just to review their choreography also. So if it looks easy, that means it was really hard before that. So for me, it just, for me to get kind of the confirmation that my hard work paid off just really means the most to me.
With the success of the MUPH Cebu pre-pageant and sponsors Gala Night, 𝗛𝗽𝗽𝗲𝗀, franchise owner of the MUPH Cebu organization, excitedly teased a spectacular and grander coronation night set to take place on December 18, 2024 at the waterfront Cebu Hotel and Casino.
Of course, I'm very, very happy because we really made it. It was so successful. I'm very happy. You know, you can see the candidates were really preparing a lot. Every one of them is really, I think, with all the workshops and all the preparations that we had for them, everyone is very ready for the coronation night.
This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.